Street food, waffle. Real. Ang cute. Sila yung kasama ko. Ba? Sorry, kami lang nakakaamoy nun.
Mas okay pa to, mas nakakaya ko kayo sa yung amoy na kalam nila.
Ito B.O. Screwers nila B.O. Tag 20 lang.
Mamaya dinner.
Oh, dito na tayo. Gusto ko talaga i-try yung Stinky Tofu. Walang tao.
Yan ba yung stinky? Yan.
Yata. Hello. This one is the Stinky Tofu. Is the stinky one. How much? 15 each. Hello. This one is the Stinky Tofu. Is the stinky one. How much? 15 each. Okay, can I have one? Yeah, first. Here, ano bang pangalan nito? Hindi ko alam. Basta ito na yun. Pinipilahan to. Every, there's a long queue here, di ba? Ang expensive naman ng tofu na to. Seriously. It's so smelly. Thank you. Ano kaya to, be? Ito masarap. Sausage. Ito yung ano ng puwet yata to, be? Yung soft. Reaction, my God. I wanna try. Ano kayang sauce nilalagay? Okay. Thank you. Gayahin natin. Gayahin ko kung anong nilalagay niyang sauce. Sandali.
Tapos naglagay siya nito. Mustard.
It's my first time. It's my first time to try this. Let's move there. You know, it's my first time to try this Stinky Tofu. It smells like meron naman siyang amoy, pero hindi siya ganoon ka-strong. Tapos, tingnan mo yung ano niya. Nilagyan ko siya ng custard and then sweet chili sauce yata yun. Because I saw the guy putting the same thing and I follow as well. So, our first bite.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Mabaho siya.
Ow!
Oh, mabaho talaga siya. Siya talaga pala yung mabaho doon.
It's sour inside. It's stinky talaga. Siguro pinapanis to.
Ano siya?
Maasim. Sour.
Oh,
Bahala ka dyan. Nakatabi ko baba. Maasim. It's sour.
Ito, the outside layer is a bit crunchy. And then the inside is very soft.
yeah.
The mustard make me...
Ano ba nangyari? Masarap naman siya. In fairness naman sa kanya. Sour lang siya. Mm. I better never put the mustard.
Well, hello. This is your first time to buy Stinky Tofu.
Mm. Ha.
Alam mo, the best sauce for that is the
Suka.
calamansi. Yung citrus juice,
I think,
lemon juice,
yeah.
and then soy sauce.
Oh, kaya mustard is not the right sauce for her, for the stinky tofu.
May gender yung tofu.
Oo. May gender siya. The tofu become a girl.
Alam mo kung bakit Stinky Tofu? Kasi babae yan.
Yeah. Her.
Hindi nagugas.
That's all for today. My experience, as you can see my face, is because of the sauce. The smell is quite okay. Na-appreciate ko naman.
No.
See? My ka-date is already gone. And you guys, if you're watching this, you can tell me what food I need to must try here in Hong Kong.
We were going to try some foods, street food actually. That will be our
We're gonna be eating street food.
Yeah, we're
tasting.
going to have street food later. That'll be our dinner. So we'll show you guys what we're going to eat. Tell you how's the taste. We're going to comment it, and maybe you should try next time.
Tama na yung sa salita, nagtatago.
Tama na.
Mas marami yung sahog niya. Kalagay ng ganyan din kunti. Spicy ba? Ayan, meron siyang...
spicy to?
Yeah, spicy this one. This one I think is the patis. Put some spicy. Taste natin yung broth. Okay lang sa akin. Kaso lang, nalalasahan ko yung yung star anise.
Mas gusto ko yung doon sa
Yun, oo. Natural lang yung sauce yung soup na yun. Mas malasa yun. Convincing ba? Ang sarap.
Sarap.
Bland lang siya. Yeah.